No adhesive, no spray, no glue, no nothing. And if you think it's going somewhere, it's not. It's not. This motherfucker is snug. Always going somewhere. Take it out. So here I am just showing you again that I use no glue or nothing, sis, to lay this wig. So y'all, this is a 2x6 closure HD lace glueless wig from Luvme hair. This is my first time seeing a wig, so honestly it felt like Christmas. I was so happy because you already know, y'all, I've been dreaming about this. So yes, look at that lace. Oh my God, it was so nice. Look how far back it goes. When they say 2x6, they mean 2x6. And yes, ma'am. And it's 100% glueless. Just for clarification, all I did was straighten the hair. Period. So if you're interested in this wig, you can click the link right there, or you can find it directly in my showcase. Thank you. Bye.